What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my brand new, well, used, new to me 3000 GT VR4. It is a 95. It's got a lot of miles on it. It's got 189,000 miles on it. But the guy that had it before me was a mechanical engineer, took absolutely amazing care of the car. I've been really impressed with it. This is my first time out actually driving it. We're in Fargo, North Dakota. We've got quite a bit of snow intermittently, and I got the car last week, and the day I got it, it dumped on us with snow. So I'm going to give you a walk around of the vehicle. I hope you enjoy it, and then we're also going to take it for its first test drive.